Hey guys, one of the common questions we get is how do we keep our aluminum products clean? A lot of our products come directly off of the sanding table and go into welding. A lot of the time our dirty welders get their fingerprints all over it, right? As you can see, this product has been through the process of being used. It's got fingerprints all over, whether it be dust, dirt, whatever it is, right? Simple fix, a little bit of a mineral spirits, pour it onto a rag, a cloth, pretty heavily, bring it up to your product, wipe with the grain. If you cut through and wipe with the grain, they'll come right off. A lot of the times, the dirt will get stuck in the grainy areas within the product. Once that happens, it's pretty difficult to get off with just regular soap. As you can see, the filth is coming right off.